Be honest, ilang beses ka na bang nakatambay lang sa car wash? Yung feeling na isang oras ka na naghihintay, mainit, bored, scroll lang ng scroll sa phone habang inaantay matapos malinis ang kotse mo. Same. Kaya when I found Cafe 101, I never looked back. Loyal customer na nila ako since their first branch pa lang sa may tapat ng Vista Mall. And now na nasa Lasatin Boulevard na sila, which is I think their third or fourth branch within San Fernando, mas lalo na akong ginanahan magpa-car wash bilang isang lady driver. Sure. Habang nililinis nila kotse mo, pwede ka mag-antay sa air-conditioned lounge cafe na may good coffee, cakes, and more. And if you're a mom like me na gustong masulit talaga ang oras habang nag-e-errands, sobrang saya lang at may liwas pa sa loob. Pwede mo nang isabay ang mani, pedi, foot spa, and massage habang nagpapa-car wash. So, instead of just killing time, you're maximizing it. May self-care ka na, malinis pa kotse mo. Kung taga San Fernando ka or anywhere in Pampanga, this is your sign to try Cafe 101 and liwas pa sa Lasatin Boulevard.